Good morning everybody, welcome to another summer vlog. So it is about 7 o'clock and we are headed to a little camping trip. Dixie's inside whining if you can hear her. Yesterday we just decided it's gonna be a gorgeous weekend. The heat wave finally broke and we thought what better weekend to go camping. So we're going for one night up north to a state park that has tons of waterfalls and it's beautiful. So we're gonna head back around like Sunday afternoonish. Today we're gonna go hiking and kayaking and then set the tent and everything. The truck is currently all packed up. You would think that we're going for way more days than just one, but that's what happens when you camp. You have to bring so much stuff, and actually the low tonight is like 50 something, so we had to bring blankets and stuff too because we would probably be really cold. So yeah, little getaway weekend. I'm really excited. When you're camping, like, I feel like you can't plan ahead too much because if it's really hot, you're gonna be miserable. We did that once and we're still traumatized by it, so that's why it was just like a last minute decision. So yeah, we're gonna hit the road and I've been up since 5:15 so I need to get some coffee. I need an energy drink or something. We have to stop at Walmart really fast to get like a last minute few things and then we're gonna hit the road. It is about a 2.5 hour trip, so I will probably check in with you maybe along the way or when we get there, we'll see. Before we hit the road, I figured I would do an outfit of the day. I haven't done that in so long. This is my camping outfit of the day. So it's actually pretty chilly out this morning. I have a flannel on until I get hot, and then I got this cute Smokey the Bear tank top from Target. They have the cutest tanks this year, I feel like, and I just tied it a little bit at the waist, and then I have on leggings and just some sneakers. It's my camping summer outfit of the day. In the summer, you will always find me in leggings, unless it's been like too hot and then I wear shorts, but I rarely wear shorts. Leggings and a sport tank top. It's pretty much my attire in the summer. Dixie, say hi to the camera. Hola. We were about an hour away. We stopped to get some things at Walmart and the gas station. I just got a sub, a chicken salad sub, because I am starving even though we had breakfast this morning. So yeah, we have like an hour more. See, the truck is packed. Like, we're spending way more than one day there, but when you're camping, like I said, you have so much stuff, you know, the food and the kayaks and all that good stuff. Also, one of the things at Walmart that we picked up were 2 new hiking backpacks because mine is kind of like falling apart and it didn't have the water. What's that called? The water thing?
I don't know.
Oh, what's like the brand name for it?
The water thing, the backpack is called a Camelback.
Camelback. It's like the Camelback style with the water coming out because mine didn't have that before and it was really annoying to carry water while hiking, so now we both have one of these. Tony's is orange back here and mine is this blue one, so now we match because we're so cute. Okay, so this is our campground. Okay, so we got this tent like, I want to say a year or two ago. We used to have a really small one and it was horrible. So this one is a Coleman, it's called Evanston 8-person tent. It's 15 by 12. It's, like I said, for 8 people, so it keeps you really cool because it is so big inside, and it has this like porch area, which we love. We don't have the rain guard on it right now, so it's really open. And then we have our air mattress. We'll put all of our sheets and stuff on this later, and our stuff. And you can see this is huge, like way more room than we need, but it keeps us really, really cool. And we have Dixie's little area here. I'm giving a tour. Do you want to give a tour?
She's gonna knock over her water.
She doesn't understand she can't just go in and out. Oh, okay. That's fine too. And then we have our picnic area, our fire pit, and then I put up the hammock there. So I keep everything for camping in these containers, and then we just keep it in the basement so that I barely have anything to pack anytime we go, just like anything you would need for camping in this one. And obviously I took some stuff out when we set up, and then this one has all of our like dry food stuff, and it just makes it so much easier when you are getting ready to pack and go on your camping trip. Tony's gonna get in the hammock.
Break my neck.
Is it gonna? Ah! See, that's it. Hi, you're almost touching the ground.
How to get it? It's out. I'm on the spoon. Two-person hammocks don't work.
It's supposed to be a two-person hammock.
And Dixie
which Dixie chewed. You wanna go yakking? Dixie, you wanna go yakking? We're gonna go yakking. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, day 2 of our weekend adventure, and we are just like packing up everything right now, and then we are going to be heading hiking. Tony is being a champion right now. I'm packing up the tent. Wave, Tony, say hi. Because packing up the tent is like my least favorite thing because it never fits in the bag. We had to redo it once, and then I said, you know what, this is all yours, you're doing it, because I'm bad at it. But everything else is pretty much packed up. Hammock down, we're getting the truck packed up. Dixie's so ready to go. She's like, okay guys, I'm bored. Let's go. Look how you. Ready to pack it up. Let's do this. So we walked all through here. And we're right here right now, right? Yeah. Say we did it.
Dixie did it.